Friends, today we are going to watch some very cool experiment video. What would happen if a baby eel released the experiment lava on top of the fish? As soon as the baby eel was giving the experiment lava, the fish began to boil. Eelfish are cooked with the help of experimental lava. Cold drinks chemical reaction. As the KO Never powder are mixed with the cold drinks, the balloon slowly inflate. At one point, the balloon became too big and burst. Experiment fish versus 50,000 safety matches chain reaction 2. Within a few moments of setting fire, a very large flame came out. But the fishes were cooked very nicely. Friends, how many bomb and how big bomb will be required to break this bottle in two? Finally, a large bomb blasted the bottle into the sky and broke into two pieces. What will happen if a friend set fire to terrifying bomb and release it inside the crater? A large amount of green wash from the crater and intermittent flash. Ice block versus weight test. As the weight falls on a pieces of ice, the ice broke into pieces. Guys, what happens if a pieces of hot iron is placed on top of this slime? As the slimes erupted, the glass suddenly burst and fell down. Now let's put fireworks behind two toy cars and see what happens. Guys, today we will demystify this microwave. As soon as the switch is pressed, the microwave exploded. Now we will see a surprising experiment of Coca-Cola. Friends, let's see a scientific experiment.